Today's ute owners, hard-working tradies and tireless adventurers are frustrated with being let down by poor quality ute gear. Products that cram every last feature in, but skimp on low quality imported components, or skip the basics, such as weatherproofing, security, and robust tie points. GearForce changes that by leveraging Utemaster's design expertise and nearly 2 decades of experience. We've built a range that's strong and robust and secure. It's gear you can trust. Durable, dependable gear at a practical price. GearForce has been designed for tradies and adventurers alike. That's the GearForce ethos. We call it Field Ready. Introducing the GearForce Hard Lid for the Isuzu D-Max. Built for the real world, where your gear needs to stay dry and secure. Engineered for everyday ute owners who want something simple and practical that's built to last. When it comes to security, the GearForce Hard Lid is integrated with your vehicle's central locking, so at the click of a button you can have peace of mind that your contents are going to be secure. You'll notice about this lid is that there is no exposed latches for anyone to try and tamper with. Now that's important because there's no protruding latch for items to get snagged on, and there's no obvious tamper point for would-be thieves. To get in, you simply unlock the key fob, pop the tailgate latch. Look how easy that was. I hardly had to touch it. Now to close it again, we've got this handy strap. You pull it down. Look at how easy that was. The beauty of this patent-pending two-way latching system is it provides the ultimate flexibility in accessing your gear. Let's say you've got a load tied down on your hard lid. You can easily drop the tailgate and access your gear. This hard lid has a 200 kg dynamic load rating. It's supported by a robust construction method. So the top is a 5052 grade aluminium 3mm construction, and the side rails and underneath internal bracing system are a highly tempered aluminium extrusion. It's all connected together in a secure, robust, welded way. The problem it's solving is that a lot of hard lids on the market, the side rails are either bolted or even riveted, which causes strength and security issues for your gear. This is a robust system you can trust. This lid has the most weatherproof seal in its class, and even features a front weather seal for water to run off when you lift up the lid. This is a feature that most other hard lids on the market are missing. It has a quick release hinging system which makes it easy to remove for a bulky load and refit later. Every lid is backed by a 3-year warranty, so you can have peace of mind in your purchase. Through the week, load it and lock it. Carry tools, timber and equipment. On the weekend, throw in the swag, load up the gear for a trip away. Built tough, built smart. GearForce, field ready.